you a father raising a son? Do you know that you are a hero in his life? You could be sitting next to an Elon Musk of the future. My father is definitely a hero in my life. Though he passed on in 2006, those are 17 years today, I still count him as a hero, for he transformed my life. As I was trying to discover my talent as an electrician, my father supported me by coming home with these items, and I would explore my curiosity with them. I discovered that electricity is very simple. I would do so many experiments with electricity. I would take a battery, I would take a wire and a bulb, and I would try to connect them and accidentally come up with circuits. I do remember that together we would make these circuits, we'd make these joints. When he was away at work, I would do a lot of experiments, and I would even accidentally come up with something. And I would be glad to inform him when he would come back from work. And he used to give me a very important thing that I value up to today: listening. He would listen to me explain to him all of these discoveries that I made, even though they sounded stupid sometimes. But he encouraged me and listened to me even more. And that pumped up my curiosity, and I would dig deep into discovering these circuits. Now, for instance, on my board is a very simple circuit that I can encourage you to start with educating your child or practicing it. This is basic electricity. Basically, this is how electricity operates. There is a source of power or a battery, and then there is a source of light, let's say a bulb. So these two are connected using a wire. Now, if you're finding value in this video, kindly hit the like button. I used to take wires, a battery, and even a bulb. These I would take from my father's torch, and I would make circuits accidentally, without knowing and without the knowledge of anyone. My father encouraged me. He was even surprised that I would do these experiments. He would encourage me. He would provide more wires and ensure that I learned a lot of electricity. And that is why today, this is what I am doing. And this is my passion. He helped me identify my passion. I will be giving you more tips that you can introduce to your child and keep on gauging his interests. It could be mechanical, it could be electrical, but along the way, you will start to understand his interest, and you will continue to purchase what he will be interested in and grow him. I'll be here to guide you on what you will get him. And I will also take you through on some of the things that you can get him that will interest him and how you will make these connections. I will make electricity very simple to you so that you can make it even simpler to your son, who is probably the next Elon Musk. Success in your interaction moving forward. If you are finding value in this channel, kindly hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and I can guarantee you that the next Elon Musk is right there next to you.